Shield cell here.
Remember
Gator nun eh. Panalo na kami dapat.
Come here. Reading.
Kailangan mo ba ng ult, Axel? Ah. Baka na lang pala.
Na lang.
We have a problem, and there they are.
Hold lang nandito yung isang team.
Forget I said that.
Yeah.
Found a heat shield here.
I like this spot's energy. Let's go.
Is that place safe? No.
No.
Let's center ourselves here.
Might be something good this way.
I didn't say
Cancel that.
Dito, itong mga to. Laruin natin itong mga to.
What I can unearth here.
Ayan na, gumalaw na
I
siya.
think we should go over here.
Tignan nyo nga kung safe dyan. I-hold ko ta.
Yep. Onte.
We're close to the ring.
Feeling ko may nasa taas eh. Ayun.
There's someone over there.
Yeah, meron dyan. May nandito.
Ayun.
I see an enemy
May
over
nasa
there.
baba sila. Pwede natin na itong kunin. I think. Feeling ko open
Mamaya,
tayo dito.
Enemy
Yun nga eh, kaya nga ayaw parang pinapacheck ko muna sa inyo.
Yup.
Ito bang batong to?
Center ourselves here.
Nope. Merong. Pwede.
May nandiyan ba sa hard rate?
Wala dito.
Enemy there.
Never mind.
Forget it.
Dito ang meron.
I see someone over there.
Or I think. Oh, banda dyan.
My shields need a bit more power.
Ayun. Mag-isa ata. Never mind, dalawa.
Watch out,
Patient.
enemy there.
I did some damage. That enemy shield is broken.
They're inside.
Broke 1, broke 2. Bago yun, Skynidan. May nasa baba rin nila eh. Yung kabilang wall.
Meron
Enemy
dito eh.
that way.
That enemy shield.
Binabaril sila, may nasa likod nila. Wait lang, feeling ko may pupunta dito. Magabang ka. Dito.
I spy
Maybe he
an
got a
enemy.
purple.
The dark appears to be driven.
Ayun sila,
I have
malapit
eyes
na.
on the enemy.
May lumilipad ah.
Enemy spotted.
55. Blue.
Grenade out.
Firing.
Frag out.
Reloading.
Grenade out.
One down. Hold natin yan.
Right choices. Wow.
Ito, look.
Kaya dyan, please. Kailangan mag-push. May GB bubble pa.
May na down dito. Fully ready sa.
Yep.
Magpupush sila doon sa...
Saan yung makyat? Makyat kayo dito.
Tapos GB bubble. May ult yung dalawa.
Aray.
Be a boat.
Recharging my shield.
JV.
Open up shop and shut them down.
Need to recharge my
Yeah.
Ano kung may digitrat tayo? Oo,
Meron
sabihin
ako.
mo.
Do you have Digitrend?
Kunin ang.
Level Evo shield here.
Nice.
Level 5. Hell of a time to go shopping.
Just chill.
Oh, Jane.
Nauluan ko isa sa kanila. Red.
Iyan.
enemy shield broken. We have an
Hold on.
recharging my shields.
Wait lang, meron dito eh.
Enemy there. Forget it.
Nag-agro sila. Down isa.
May makyat.
Down.
Enemy drop.
Good job.
Hindi ka rin natin.
Pwede tayo dito.
Quick, here.
That kill leader will broken enemy shield.
One down again.
Firing.
Dito.
Quick, here.
Wow. It looks like the last ring coming to see us.
Sige lang. Sinad ako sa inyo dyan.
Enemy shield.
Diyan na sa'yo, papunta.
Dead.
Nice, isa na lang, isang team.
Enemy close. Opening fire. Broken enemy.
Broke 1.
Down isa.
Enemy down.
Isa na lang, nandito sa taas. Down na, patay na.
Good job. Easy.
Nano siya doon, naipit siya.
At ang sarap ng buhay natin doon ha. OP ng longbow. Tangin na.
You are the Apex
One
Ang
gun
OP nang
kill,
magnanakaw.
Omsi.
Ikaw pa naman, pagka armor swap mo, ninakawan ka.